Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check you have at least 3 camp slots, the bounty board and related outposts unlocked, and a save you can return to. Next, prioritize NPCs with recruitment flags, consult your quest log, and map pins to note routines and spawn locations. Once done, use a quick travel to an adjacent area to trigger respawns if needed, and approach when the NPC is alone. This ensures recruitment triggers fire reliably and avoids missed dialogue windows. Now execute the complex middle steps. Complete any prerequisite quests or favors that unlock an NPC's recruit option, because many characters only join after story conditions are met. Make sure your party has free slots, dismiss or rotate companions to create room, and keep a temporary recruitable spot. When you meet the candidate, pick the exact dialogue choices that signal commitment and hand over required items if prompted. These actions change flags internally, so be deliberate and avoid skipping conversations. To finish, confirm the recruit appears in your party roster and speaks at camp. Talk to them to trigger any follow-up quests. If recruitment fails, reload your pre-interaction save, wait about 24 in-game hours to refresh AI routines, then retry the same approach and dialogue sequence. This often fixes missed triggers. If problems persist, document the NPC location, current quest state, and exact dialogue choices before reporting. That information speeds up a resolution and helps you identify whether it's a bug or a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.